And yet, when called to serve or to participate, maybe chair committees or contribute reports, ideas, and solutions, we see too few stepping forward. Unfortunately, some prefer to critique from the sidelines by conversations in the corridors rather than contributions at the table. But if tourism is truly our business, then stewardship must also be our responsibility. As members of the private sector, we hold tremendous power to shape the future of this industry. We are the innovators, we are the investors, we are the ambassadors of the Barbadian experience. The value we add through service excellence, authenticity, collaboration, and leadership directly impacts how Barbados is seen, experienced, and remembered by the world. Tourism does not succeed because of policy alone. It thrives because of people, because of us. Over the next 2 years, my hope is that we re-engage not only with the association, but with each other and with the purpose that brought us into this industry. Let us strengthen succession within the board. Let us actively mentor, invite, and empower the next generation of leaders so that service is not seen as a burden, but as an opportunity to give back to an industry that has given so much to all of us. We must also begin to reposition service not as a work to be avoided, but as a labor of love for this beautiful island we all call home. Because when we step forward, we don't just strengthen the Barbados Hotel and Tourism Association, we strengthen Barbados. As one of our former chairpersons and the recent Barbados Hotel and Association Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Roseanne Myers, would have reminded us at our gala celebration on Saturday, service enriches us. It expands our perspective, strengthens our network, sharpens our leadership, and connects us to something larger than ourselves. It reminds us that what we do is not just about profit, it is about purpose. So today I encourage all of us to move from the sidelines to the table, from critique to contribution, from observation to ownership. Because tourism is not just our business, it is our legacy. And the future of it depends on all of us. Again, I'm here to serve. I'm a representative, but I appreciate the input from all of you. I appreciate your collaboration, and I know that collectively that we can go far. Thank you.